Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm Marcia again with Florida Living for You. It's Q3 2025 and today we're exploring one of the most exciting transformations happening in South Florida real estate. Pompano Beach, once known as a quiet beach town, is no longer that quiet beach town you remember. It's transforming fast and some say it could soon outshine Miami and Fort Lauderdale. Pompano Beach is now evolving into an upscale destination with luxury oceanfront towers, a walkable pier district, and a reimagined downtown core. The region is showing appreciation rates that surpass many Florida markets. From world-class developers like the Related Group and Fortune International to branded residents like the Ritz-Carlton, the Waldorf Astoria, and Armani Casa, Pompano is quickly becoming one of the hottest zip codes on the Gold Coast. And just up the road, Deerfield Beach offers its own boutique luxury charm for buyers looking for elegance and privacy. In this video, I'll show you the top new construction condo projects redefining this stretch of the coast, plus why investors, retirees, and snowbirds are jumping in before prices catch up to Miami and Fort Lauderdale. And if this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about living and investing in South Florida, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and tap the bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about any new opportunities and the current market in South Florida. We get calls every day from people just like you. So whether you move in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out to us at any time. Our contact information is in the description box below. We would be very happy to help you make a smooth move to South Florida. So, without further ado, let's dive into what's really happening here and take a look at the new construction luxury condos in Pompano and Deerfield Beach. We'll start with the Armani Casa Residences. Giorgio Armani is bringing glamour and sophistication to Pompano Beach. Following the success of the Armani Casa condominiums in Sunny Isles Beach, this will be the brand's second South Florida location, marking a significant expansion in their U.S. portfolio. Giorgio Armani himself shared, and I quote, "This project is one of the most exclusive I've ever carried out. The harmony between architecture, nature, and the ocean is truly inspiring." The Armani Casa stands out with its boutique size and style when compared to larger developments. It will have 2 towers with 19 stories each and just 28 luxury units. It has been scheduled to break ground in 2025. I'll be giving you some statistics on the different projects. Okay, so the Armani, the unit size range between 3,250 and 6,000 square feet, with prices starting at $5 million at about $1,460 per square foot. Each condo has 10-foot high ceilings, extensive wraparound terraces with 360-degree views of the city and ocean, kitchens with European quartz countertops, Armani Casa custom cabinets, and high-end appliances. Reservations will open in fall 2025 for the Armani residence in Pompano Beach, and I can guarantee you they will go fast. So if this sounds like the lifestyle you'll be waiting for, reach out to me directly. I'll make sure you're the first to know when units become available and guide you through the entire process. Delivery is scheduled for 2027. Then we have the Ritz-Carlton Residences. This project is being built on 2 parcels of land. One is a 31-story oceanfront tower with 89 units, and the other is a 14-story building on the Intercoastal Waterway with 117 units, totally 206 units. The residents will enjoy 250 feet of direct oceanfront, as well as a marina for owners on a deepwater canal. There are 2 4-bedroom units which will be flow-through corner residences with east views over the ocean and west views over the Intercoastal. The 2 towers will have their own individual amenities and owners will have access to both buildings. Each tower will have a stunning pool, gym, spa, among other amenities. The West Tower will have a yacht club and pickleball court. The East Tower will have a restaurant only accessible to residents and guests. Private cabana and dock slips will be available for sale. Here are some stats. They have 1 to 4 bedroom residences from 900 to 6,800 square feet. The prices start at $4 million up to a little over $7 million, at about $1,500 to $1,800 per square foot. There is a private marina with 13 boat slips designed for large vessels, and they are for sale exclusively to owners. They have spacious floor plans with expansive terraces with ocean city and intercoastal views. This project is nearly sold out and delivery is scheduled for 2026. Now we will look at the Waldorf Astoria. This new project could mark the second Waldorf Astoria Hotels and Resort branded condominium in South Florida and the second major hotel branded development in Pompano Beach. With 28 stories and 92 units, residents of the Waldorf Astoria will enjoy a private resort-style pool, professionally equipped gym, 2 restaurants, and a world-class spa. 1 restaurant and spa will be open to the public. There will also be 19 marina boat slips available for the owners, and is just a short drive away from the Greg Norman Signature Pines Course, a golfer's paradise rated 4.5 stars by Golf Digest. Here are some stats. They have 2 to 4 bedroom residences, 4 units per floor, from 2,100 to 6,100 square feet. They are priced from $2.5 to $6 million at about $1,290 per square foot. They offer private balconies for all residences, up to 10 foot deep, gourmet kitchen with custom Italian cabinetry and Sub-Zero and Wolf appliance packages. Delivery is scheduled for 2027. I know this is a lot of information, so if you'd like any additional details on any of these projects, please reach out to me at any time. The contact information is in the description box below. Now, the Casamar. This is a 22-story oceanfront tower with 119 residences and 283 linear feet of oceanfront. All 4 plans have direct ocean views. It features contemporary layouts, upscale finishes, and up-to-ceiling windows with unobstructed views of the Atlantic, intercoastal waterway, and city skyline. It has sunrise and sunset swimming pools overlooking the ocean and the intercoastal waterway. And here are some stats. They have 3 and 4 bedroom residences from 1,085 to 3,900 square foot. They are priced from $4.5 to $5.7 million at about $1,487 per square foot. Again, if you would like any additional information on any of these projects, reach out to me at any time. The contact information is in the description box below. The kitchen comes with Italian cabinetry and top-of-the-line kitchen appliances. It also offers virtual reality golf simulator room, 24/7 valet parking, water sports storage, among other amenities. Delivery is scheduled for 2025. Next is the Salato Residences. This pre-construction condo building with 9 stories and 40 residences is a unique opportunity for homebuyers and investors alike to get in on the ground level of luxury oceanfront living. Located steps from the beach, the building has advanced security systems, complete concierge services, beach attendants for towel and water service, and furniture assistance. And here are some stats. They have 3 bedroom residences from 2,100 to over 3,300 square feet. Prices are between $3.1 and $4.89 million at about $1,480 per square foot. The kitchen includes premium selections of European cabinetry and Sub-Zero and Wolf appliance packages. Also, the units have 14-foot deep terraces ranging from 320 to 746 square foot, which is perfect for entertainment. The Salato is scheduled for delivery in 2025. Now we go to the Ocean 580 Residences. The Ocean 580 Residences is one of the Pompano Beach's newest oceanfront condominiums. You can step out your door and onto the beach, and the units have unobstructed ocean views. It has 10 floors and 17 units. Early investors gained access to first-year developer pricing, and they are now enjoying significant financial appreciation. And that's what happens when you purchase early, before construction starts. Here are some stats. They have 4 and 5 bedroom residences with sizes ranging between 3,680 and over 8,800 square feet. Prices are between $4.8 and $6.6 million at $1,433 per square foot. Each condo has a designer gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops and Miele appliance package. It also offers 24-hour valet services, a fitness center overlooking the ocean, and a rooftop lounge, among other amenities. Delivery is scheduled for 2027. Again, for any additional information on any of these projects, you may reach out to me at any time. The contact information is in the description box below. And finally, the W Pompano Beach Hotel and Residences. This development is a game changer for Pompano Beach, offering a rare, branded luxury residence with a lively resort atmosphere. It's ideal for those looking for a high-end beach lifestyle, investment potential, and the vibrancy of the W hospitality, all while maintaining a sense of privacy and exclusivity. The owners will have preferred hotel and room rates at all Marriott hotel and resorts across the world. You will have various a la carte services, including grocery shopping, laundry and dry cleaning, alteration services, personal chef services, nanny childcare services, and a lot more. With 27 stories on the residence side, it will offer 77 private condo residences with 2 to 4 bedrooms plus den, and size ranges between 24 to 3,400 square foot with deep balconies. In addition, there will be 3 penthouse residences around 3,400 square foot with rooftop pools. On the hotel side, they will offer 296 fully furnished studios, 1 and 2 bedroom suites with 580 to 1,800 square feet, and prices starting at $770,000. Right now, this project offers the most affordable opportunities for investors who want to get in early, as you can get a beachfront unit from under $1 million. The private residences have prices between $3.1 to $5 million at about $1,339 per square foot. Each condo has 9.5-foot ceiling, private elevators, floor-to-ceiling impact windows, Italian kitchen cabinetry, and Sub-Zero and Wolf appliance packages. Sales have just started, and like all the other developments, units will go fast. They will not last. Delivery is scheduled for 2029. Now, going a little north to Hillsboro Beach, we will find the Rosewood Residences. The Rosewood Residences Hillsboro Beach combines luxury and exclusivity, with 92 units set between 605 feet of beachfront and 600 feet of intercoastal frontage. It has a 10-story oceanfront with 70 residences and a 3-story intercoastal building with 22 waterfront villas. Oceanfront homes have unobstructed Atlantic views, while intercoastal residences offer stunning western views. Located minutes from Boca Raton and Pompano Beach, the Rosewood Residences offer a refined coastal lifestyle and world-class amenities with breathtaking surroundings. The homes range from 2,800 to 6,000 square feet, including a penthouse with nearly 6,000 square feet of interior space and an equally expensive terrace. Designed to meet the rising demand for larger homes in South Florida, these floor plans are becoming increasingly rare. Each residence has deep terraces between 12 to 15 feet, with many offering flow-through layouts that capture both east and west exposures. Thanks to the surrounding low-rise buildings, residents enjoy unobstructed views from sunrise to sunset. Here are some stats. They have 2 to 5 bedroom units with prices from $6 million to $13.7 million at about $1,600 to $2,400 per square foot. The residents offer floor-to-ceiling windows, oversized terrace, private elevators, and high-end finishes, including Italian cabinetry, Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, and spa-like bathrooms. Once again, for any additional information on any of these projects, you may reach out to me at any time. The contact information is in the description box below. Select homes include private lanais, rooftop decks, summer kitchens, and plunge pools. It's scheduled for delivery in 2026. As you've seen, the transformation happening in Pompano Beach and Deerfield Beach is nothing short of incredible. From boutique oceanfront residences to full-service high-rise luxury towers, this is a once-in-a-generation opportunity. When you compare the prices per square foot with Miami luxury condos, it is almost half of the price. And we have seen the prices doubling in Miami and Fort Lauderdale in the last several years. And from my experience in many years I have been in real estate, I can see the same thing happening in Pompano and Deerfield Beach. On that note, here's the secret savvy buyers know. Getting in early before the concrete is poured means you lock in the best price, the best views, and the most flexible floor plans. If you're thinking of investing, this is one of the strongest opportunities in South Florida right now. Not only are you buying into a rapidly appreciating area, but you're also securing a piece of brand new luxury real estate that will stand out for years to come. Once the project hits a certain number of pre-sales, price typically increase. So the earlier you buy, the more equity you will build before the building is even finished. If you are an investor or even just thinking of owning a second home in Florida, big construction is one of the smartest ways to maximize your return and customize your lifestyle. I have direct access to VIP reservation lists, exclusive developer launches, and I am among the first agents to know when new phases are released. So I can help you secure your unit before construction breaks ground, giving you an edge in getting the best possible deal. So if you're ready to explore these opportunities, whether it's oceanfront condos, new residences in downtown Pompano, or resort-style developments in Deerfield, give me a call or send me a message today. I'm Marcia again with For the Living for You. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video coming soon.